equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the LCD cover. Start by powering off your MSI MS14B1 and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery by sliding the release latch and lifting it out. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using compressed air. This not only helps with the repair but also improves the overall performance of your laptop. If you feel this is too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. Now, locate the LCD assembly. You will find screws securing the LCD cover in place. Carefully remove these screws and gently lift the LCD cover away from the assembly. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any hidden screws or clips that may still be attached. Once the old LCD cover is removed, take your new LCD cover and align it with the assembly. Ensure that all clips are properly seated before securing it with screws. This step is vital for a snug fit and to prevent any future issues. After securing the new cover, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Place the back panel back onto the laptop and press down gently until you hear it click into place. Reinsert all screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. Finally, reinsert the battery and connect your laptop to the power source. Power it on to check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop repaired without the hassle of calls or travel. Remember, we provide a quote before any repair, so you know exactly what to expect. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your MSI MS14B1. This simple repair can save you time and money, and with our professional services, you can always have peace of mind. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.